Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we are presenting our business proposal on Smart AR campus classes. Our product uses augmented reality AR technology to improve students' learning experience and make campus life smarter and more efficient. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce our company. ENT300 Vision Sendirian Berhad is a technology-based company that focuses on transforming traditional education into smart campus learning through augmented reality AR technology. Our main product, Smart AR Campus Glasses, helps students and lecturers by providing real-time lecture notes, voice-to-text transcription, and interactive learning experience. With affordable pricing and strong market potential, we believe ENT300 Vision can become one of Malaysia's leading smart campus solution providers. Let me introduce our team. I am Siti Nodami Inshirah, the CEO, responsible for leading the company and making strategic decisions. Nur Husna is our operation manager, managing daily operations. Nurul Aiman Firzana is our CTO, responsible for technology and product development. Lastly, Nur Natasha Alia is our financial manager, handling budgeting and financial planning. Together, we work to ensure the success of our company. Now, let's look at the problem faced by students today. Many students miss important lecture information because not everything is available in real time. They also struggle with manual note-taking, which affects focus during lectures. In addition, campus learning can be inefficient because students rely on multiple tools. Our Smart AR campus glasses solve this by helping students stay focused, access information instantly, and learn more efficiently. As our tagline, just wear it, know everything. Next is our business overview. Our company name is ENT300 Vision Sendirian Berhad, and we plan to commence operation in 2026 in Shah Alam, Selangor. We are registered as a private limited company or Sendirian Berhad. The main reason for starting this business is to bridge the gap between traditional learning and digital learning by introducing smart AR technology into education. Our company is supported by 4 partners with expertise in management, technology, operations, and finance. Now, I will explain our administration plan, including our vision, mission, and objective. Our vision is to become a leading smart campus solution that transforms learning through immersive AR technology. Our mission is to enhance students' learning experience, improve teaching efficiency, and promote future-ready education. For our objective, in the short term, we aim to evaluate the effectiveness of AR in supporting learning activities. In the long term, we aim to establish a fully interactive and digitally supported educational environment. Each team member also has specific responsibilities to ensure smooth business operations. Let me explain our administration budget. For fixed assets, we require around 230,000 ringgit, which covers land and building, office furniture and equipment, as well as renovation costs. Our monthly operating expenses are estimated at around 22,233 ringgit and 75 cents, mainly for salaries, utilities, stationery, and internet service. Besides that, we also allocate about 5,500 ringgit for pre-operational expenses such as business registration, license, branding, and other setup costs. Therefore, the total administration budget required is approximately 257,733 ringgit and 75 cents.
Today, I will be presenting the marketing plan for ENT300 Vision, focusing on how we position our product and capture our target audience. First is product description. Starting with our core innovation, ENT300 Vision is a Malaysian very first academic-focused smart glasses solution provider. Unlike generic smart wearable, our product is tailored specifically for the higher education ecosystem. By utilizing advanced micro OLED display, we allow students to overlay lecture slide, reference note, and technical diagram directly onto their field of view, completely hands-free. On top of that, we have integrated an onboard AI vision module capable of real-time text recognition and text-to-speech audio guidance, housed in highly ergonomic and lightweight chassis built for long study session. Next is our target market. Our target market is laser focused. We are looking at higher education students aged between 18 and 26. Geographically, our initial rollout will focus heavily on the Klang Valley Hub, specifically capture the dense student population at UiTM Shah Alam, University Malaya, and MSU. We are prioritizing students in STEM, engineering, architecture, and computer science field, who heavily rely on complex visual data tracking daily. Now, let's move on to the number and analyze how we stand in the current market landscape. For the market size and share, when we break down our market size, our total addressable market stand at over 150,000 students across our 3 main target university, narrowing it down to our serviceable address market, which is our core technical and STEM student cluster. We have realistic target of 45,000 students. For our initial phase, we are aiming for a serviceable obtainable market of 4,500 units sold. This represents a programming and highly achievable 10% market share captured during our early stage operation. Next, for the sale forecast. Our sale forecast directly mirror the academic calendar, ensuring our distribution spike heavily during new semester intake and orientation week when student tech adoption is at its highest. We will move to competitor analysis. Looking at the competition, we have identified a massive market gap. On one hand, you have lifestyle product like Ray-Ban Meta, which have great design but completely lack visual display. On the other hand, AR glasses like X-Real A2 offer great visual but lack on onboard AI capabilities and require restrictive cable. Then we have heavy hitters like Apple Vision Pro, which possess top-tier tech but are far too heavy and prohibitively expensive for a student budget. ADTH Vision sits perfectly in the sweet spot: affordable, wireless, academic-focused, and AI-driven. Finally, let's look at our operational education strategy and how we plan to deploy our capital to capture this market. For the marketing mix, our education relies on a robust marketing mix. Our products solve a genuine academic pain point. Our price is structured to be student-friendly, offering flexible installment structure. Our place distribution leverages existing university cooperative network and live demo kiosks right on campus. And our promotion engine relies heavily on a digital ad placement across YouTube and TikTok, amplified by student brand ambassador. For the marketing budget, to back this strategy, we have mapped out a comprehensive marketing budget totaling 38,486 ringgit and 25 cents. Fixed asset takes up to 3,300 ringgit for long-term physical campus branding like banners and flyers. Working capital is our largest allocation at 26,586 ringgit and 25 cents, which fund high-impact digital ads and compensate our specialized 7-man marketing workforce, including our executive, sales, promo, and distribution personnel. Lastly, pre-operational is located at 8,600 ringgit, which fund our official grand launching event to maximize public and stakeholder awareness from day one. With this strategic alignment of product innovation, defined market targeting, and aggressive marketing execution, ADTF Vision is fully equipped to revolutionize the student tech market. Thank you, and that's all from me.
Today, I will walk you through our process planning workflow, which outlines how we take a product from raw materials to final delivery. There are three main phases, which is the first one is the hardware phase. The process starts by securing high-quality materials from certified suppliers. These materials go straight into component manufacturing. Once the parts are ready, they are brought together for frame assembly. The tech and quality phase. Next, we move into electronic integration to install the internal hardware. This is immediately followed by the software installation. To ensure everything works perfectly, the product undergoes rigorous testing and quality control. Thirdly, the logistics phase. Once the product passes quality checks, it moves to packaging. Finally, the product enters distribution to reach our end users, completing the cycle. Next, let's take a look at our operation layout. As you can see on the floor plan, we have designed the workspace into three distinct zones to maximize workflow efficiency and separate our administrative tasks from technical operations. There are three main zones, which is first, the management and administrative zone at the left section. We have executive office. This area houses our core management team, including private offices for the chief executive officer, chief technology officer, operations manager, and financial manager. We also place a spacious pantry in the zone to give our administrative staff a convenient space for breaks. Second, the meeting and facilities zone in the middle section. First, meeting room, positioned right in the center for easy access by both the office staff and the production team. This central block also includes our shared bathrooms and a dedicated prayer room. Third, the production and operations zone at the right section. The first is technical workflow. This is where the product actually comes together. It follows a logical flow starting from the quality control and assembling area, moving to the software installation area, and then to the packaging area. Storage room is the conveniently located right next to packaging to store finished goods securely. There is also a secondary prayer room and restroom area located at the top of the zone for the production staff. Now, let's look at our manpower allocation. To keep our day-to-day operations running smoothly, we have structured a lean team of 6 personnel divided across 4 key roles. The first one is Operation Manager. It is to oversee the entire production workflow, manage the team, and ensures that all processes meet our efficiency and quality targets. Second, Van Driver handles inbound and outbound logistics, specifically picking up raw materials from suppliers and transporting goods. Third, Store Assistant. The task is responsible for warehouse inventory management, receiving incoming parts and preparing finished goods for packaging and storage. Fourth, Assembly Technician. They work directly on the production line to assemble frames, integrate electronic components, install software, and conduct quality control checks. Next, let's go over our materials and equipment. This slide highlights the key components required to build our smart glasses alongside the specialized machinery we use on our production floor. First, core materials and components. There is optical lens and micro display. These handle the visuals. The micro display projects the AR content like text and overlays, while the optical lens focuses it directly into the user's eyes. ABS frame. This serves as the main structural housing that holds all the internal pieces together safely. Third, microchip and PCB, the brain and nervous system of the device. The microchip handles the data computation, while the printed circuit board (PCB) connects all electronic elements. Camera module and sensors. These provide environmental awareness by tracking real-world objects, detecting motion, gestures, and distance. Manufacturing equipment, which is SMT and PCB assembly machines, used in the early stage to precisely place and assemble electronic components onto our circuit boards. CNC machine handles the precise cutting and shaping of the physical parts like the frame. Ultrasonic welding and packaging machines. The welding machine securely bonds the plastic components together without heat damage, and the packaging machine preps the final product logistics. Functional testing equipment used right before packaging to run a full quality check on all sensors and hardware. Let's take a look at our operating hours and license. This slide details our standard weekly schedule and the legal registrations we have secured to operate fully and legally. The first one is hours of operation, business hours and operation hours. We differentiate between the two. Our team is on site for internal operation hours from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday through Saturday. Customer facing, however, our public facing business hours, when we welcome clients, vendors, or external communications run from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Our rest day are on Sunday. Second, types of license and compliance. To ensure total legal and regulatory compliance, our business holds 5 critical registrations: SSM and bank registration. We are fully registered under SSM for corporate legitimacy and have completed our official bank registration for financial compliance. Premise and billboard license. We hold a valid business premise license and a billboard license for our outdoor branding and signage safety compliance. Finally, we maintain a fire extinguisher license to ensure our workplace meets national safety standards.
So next, I will present about the financial plan of EDTH Vision Syndrome Berhad. The total project implementation cost is RM 1,761,228, and this all costs includes all expenses required to set up and operate this business, such as fixed asset, working capital, marketing expenses, and contingency. The main component include fixed assets such as land, building, machinery, and equipment, pre-operational and marketing expenses, working capital for daily operation, and a contingency fund for unexpected costs. This project will be financed through 4 main sources. First, bank loan RM 1,177,928. Second, hire purchase RM 400,000. Third, by own contribution RM 148,300. And by existing fixed asset, which is RM 35,000 ringgit. This shows a balanced mix of external financing and internal funding to support the business. Based on the pro forma cash flow statement, this business shows a positive cash flow throughout the year. This company maintains a healthy cash balance, and the ending cash balance continues to increase from month to month and into year 2 and year 3. This indicates strong liquidity and the ability to meet short-term obligation. Next, the income statement shows strong profitability. Net profit after tax in year 1 is RM 1,285,529. In year 2 increases to RM 1,528,428, and year 3 further increases to RM 1,878,781. This shows that this business has continuous growth in profitability in over 3 years. Based on the balance sheet, this company shows strong financial position. Total assets increases from 2,981,308 in year 1 to RM 6,686,474 in year 3. Owner's equity also increases due to accumulated profit, showing that this business is financially stable and growing. So, EDTH Vision Syndrome Berhad is requesting a total funding of RM 1,760,228 to support our business implementation and expansion plan. This funding will be used for fixed asset investment, pre-operational and marketing expenses, working capital, and contingency allocation of 10%. This structured funding ensures our smooth business setup, operational stability, and sustainable growth for our business.
In conclusion, smart AR campus glasses have great potential to improve students' learning experience on campus. With features like real-time lecture notes and slideshow projection, students can understand lesson better and avoid missing important information during class. The campus navigation system also helps students find classroom and facilities more easily, while the voice-to-text live transcription feature allow lectures to be recorded as text for easy revision. Overall, this product combines smart technology with education and has strong potential to support a more modern, efficient, and convenient campus environment.